It appears the tide may be turning in terms of rental prospects in London. New analysis from agent Chesterton's found there were 39% more rental properties coming onto the market in July 2023, when compared to the same month last year. It also found there were 5% fewer renters registering their interest. Despite less competition, demand in the capital remains strong. Chesterton's reports that interest is high in St John's Wood, South Kensington, Islington, Canary Wharf, Hampstead, Clapham and Fulham. However, there's a lag between better supply and rental prices. The latest HomeLet data shows rents in Greater London have risen for 3 consecutive months. In July alone, the capital's rents increased by 1.5%, to a new average of £2,109 per calendar month. Unusually for London, it's the smallest and usually the most popular rental property that's fallen in value during the last 4 weeks. A one-bedroom city centre apartment has dipped marginally, falling from €2,436 to €2,431 per month. The other 3 property types Clipper tracks have all risen in value, one markedly so. A 3-bedroom apartment in the city centre has jumped in cost, from €4,480 to €4,634 per month. Elsewhere, a 3-bedroom apartment in London suburbs has risen from €2,904 to €2,977, while a 1-bedroom apartment in the city suburbs is now €1,741 per month, up from €1,706. The state of the Dutch rental market has been laid bare, thanks to a new set of figures from rental housing platform Pararius. Its analysis shows the ultra-competitive market among tenants has resulted in rental prices rising by an average of 5% to 8% in the second quarter of 2023. Amsterdam has registered the most significant rental price rises of all the country's major cities, with rents increasing by an average of 7.6% over the past 12 months. The increase in rental prices corresponds with a 27% fall in the number of rental homes placed on the market in the second quarter of 2023, compared to the same period in 2022. There were more rental value increases in the month of August, following the increases seen in July. Now it costs €39 more a month to rent a 1-bedroom apartment in Amsterdam centre, up from €1,724 to €1,763 per month. There were more marginal rent rises attached to 3-bedroom city centre apartments, rising from €2,693 to €2,706 per month. A 3-bedroom apartment in the city suburbs now costs €2,049, up from €2,033. Only a 1-bedroom apartment in the city's suburbs was cheaper to rent in the last 4 weeks, down from €1,389 to €1,379 per month. The countdown is now on to the Paris Olympics, when billions of eyes will be on the French capital city. As well as a sense of excitement among the sporting elite, Paris real estate agents are gearing up for possibly the busiest period of their lives. There's already a concerted push for people to reserve rental apartments ahead of the opening ceremony, on the 26th of July, 2024. The demand will squeeze the availability open to professional relocators, so inquiries should be made now, for 2024 availability. Those in the market for city centre properties may also be interested in Paris rental's top areas for those relocating for work. They comprise Le Marais, 3rd and 4th arrondissement, La Défense Business District, the 16th arrondissement, and the 15th arrondissement. After July saw every Paris property type that Clipper monitors rise in value, it was a mixed bag in August. The cost to rent a 3-bedroom apartment in the Paris suburbs broke through the €2,000 per month barrier, rising from €1,988 to €2,026. It also became more expensive to rent a 1-bedroom apartment in the centre, up from €1,277 to €1,285 per month. 2 property types did become a little cheaper. A 1-bedroom apartment in the Paris suburbs is down from €952 to €940, while a 3-bedroom city centre apartment is now less expensive at €2,881, dropping from €2,853 per month.